From the PEP Radio Newsroom, we have this news from the U.S. Supreme Court. The U.S. Supreme Court on Friday temporarily blocked a lower court ruling that found Texas's 2026 congressional redistricting plan, pushed by President Donald Trump, likely discriminates on the basis of race. The order, signed by Justice Samuel Alito, will remain in place at least for the next few days, while the court considers whether to allow the new map favorable to Republicans to be used in the midterm elections. The court's conservative majority had blocked similar lower court rulings because they had come too close to elections. The order came about an hour after the state called on the high court to intervene to avoid confusion as congressional primary elections approach in March. The justices have blocked past lower court rulings in congressional redistricting cases, most recently in Alabama and Louisiana, that came several months before elections. The order was signed by Alito because he is the justice who handles emergency appeals from Texas. Texas redrew its congressional maps in the summer as part of Trump's efforts to preserve a slim Republican majority in the House in next year's elections, touching off a nationwide redistricting battle. The new redistricting map was engineered to give Republicans 5 additional House seats, but a panel of federal judges in El Paso ruled 2-1 Tuesday that the civil rights group that challenged the map on behalf of Black and Hispanic voters were likely to win their case. In that ruling eventually holds, if it does, Texas could be forced to hold elections next year using the map drawn by the GOP conservative legislature in 2021 based on the 2020 census. Texas was the first state to meet Trump's demands in what has been an expanding national battle over redistricting. Republicans drew the state's new map to give the GOP 5 additional seats each. To counter those moves, California voters approved a ballot initiative to give Democrats an additional 5 seats there. That's what we know at this hour. Reporting from the PEP Radio Newsroom, I'm David Moore.